Hey viewers, this is Amit Kachelia. It's 16 December 2020 and it's early morning around 7:30 a.m. Surprisingly making this video because of this reason. A dense fog, virtually near to zero visibility, and that fog is just touching my hands, my nose, my ears, and it's worth enjoying. This is the reason why I'm paying EMI for this house. Okay, so EMI वसूल हो रहा है. Yeah, that's over there is Godavari River, but as I said, it's next to zero visibility, so we can't see anything. Okay, let me just show you around how it is. This is the approach road. Yeah. Okay, we'll catch you. Enjoy.